What is going on, everybody? And today you're tuned in with Kay. As you can see, there's a big old dent in the engine and a few missing parts on this thing. But look at this. It's a FZ09 Yamaha 2016, and it's gonna be a project, so tune in for the rest of it. Now, my friend has found an engine for it finally. It's been a little while. There's a few things that we need to swap on this engine, but I won't get too much in detail about this because I really don't know much about motorcycles. So for the most part, all of the like episodes and videos that will be made on this bike will be on another channel, and I will post that in the description below for you guys if you're interested. Now I will show a few little progression shots of the videos of the bike as we're going through it, like progress of it. But for the most, like I'm saying, we will be doing this with a team, pretty much. So it'll be a group of us working on this bike. But besides that, let's take a look at it for a second. Alrighty guys, stay tuned for the rest. Update us if you have any comments on this, and give us your feedback. Appreciate it. Peace.